cold start protection. Valvoline Profleet lubricants provide the best engine care for all trucks on the road today. And it's a solid investment for the companies that rely on them. Start the engine. On an average day, it takes engine oil a split second to reach all the critical parts. Now, perform a cold start on a freezing cold winter day. Cross your fingers if you use ordinary engine oil, because there will probably be no lubrication at all for quite a while. It will be bare metal to bare metal. Tough circumstances call for special engine oil. Profleet has excellent cold flow properties down to polar temperatures that will prepare your fleet for a full season in the Arctic, but also for unexpected cold spells during fairly regular trips through Scandinavia, Eastern Europe, and mountainous areas. We believe that care for trucks is an investment that pays off in many ways, and we're happy to prove it.